Erica here. Hey everyone, if you're into running, cycling, swimming, hiking, or basically any sport, and you want one watch that can keep up with all of it without dying halfway through the day, you're going to want to hear this. I've been living with the brand new Garmin Fēnix E multisport GPS smartwatch for the past month, and I'm blown away. This is Garmin's most affordable Fēnix ever, but it still packs almost everything the big expensive ones have. Stick around because I'm breaking down every feature, the real pros and cons, and exactly who should grab this right now. Let's start with the features that make this watch special. First, the battery life is insane. Up to 16 days in smartwatch mode and up to 42 hours in full GPS mode. That's weeks without charging if you're just using it daily, and still over a full day of DPS tracking for long races or adventures. The display is a bright 1.3-inch MIP screen that's super easy to read in sunlight, and it's protected by a tough sapphire crystal. You get Garmin's new Elevate Gen 5 heart rate sensor, the same one in the $1,000 plus models, plus pulse ox, sleep tracking, body battery, stress monitoring, and women's health tracking. For sports, it's loaded. Built-in profiles for running, cycling, swimming, strength, golf, skiing, and tons more. You get multi-GNSS with SatIQ that automatically switches between GPS systems to save battery while staying accurate. There's a morning report, race predictor, daily suggested workouts, recovery time advice, and Garmin Coach training plans. It's got 32 gigabytes of storage for offline maps and music. Yes, you can load Spotify or Deezer and leave the phone at home. It's 5 ATM water resistant, so open water swims are no problem. And the new metal bezel and quick release bands make it look premium. Now let's talk about the real pros, because there are a lot. Battery life is the star. I charged it once in 18 days with daily runs and weekend long rides. GPS accuracy is spot on. I compared it side by side with the Fēnix 8 and the tracks were basically identical. The screen is crisp, buttons are clicky and easy to use with gloves, and the new sensor is super reliable. My resting heart rate and sleep scores match my chest strap perfectly. It's lighter than older Fēnix models at just 70 grams, and the price is hundreds less than the Pro versions, but you barely lose anything important. Music storage works flawlessly and the maps are downloadable for free. Okay, honesty time, the cons. There's no solar charging, no ECG, no flashlight, and no mic or speaker for phone calls. Those are on the pricier models. The display isn't AMOLED, so colours aren't as vibrant as an Apple Watch, but it's way better in sunlight and saves battery. Some people miss the titanium option, but the steel bezel still looks great. And if you want hill climb stats or endurance scoring, those advanced metrics are only on the higher-end Fēnix 8. My recommendation after a month of hard use: if you want the real Garmin experience, killer battery, pro-level training tools, and rock-solid GPS without spending $1,000, the Fēnix E is an absolute home run. Runners, triathletes, hikers, cyclists, anyone who trains seriously but doesn't need the absolute top-tier extras, this is your watch. The pros completely outweigh the few missing features for most athletes. So if you're ready to level up your training, click the link in the description to grab the Garmin Fēnix E. Best price anywhere, and it supports the channel. If this helps, smash that like button, drop a comment with your favorite sport, share with your training buddy, and subscribe for more no BS gear reviews. Quick reminder, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching. See you on the next run.